The Perfect Speculator by Koteshwar. This book is a little gem. It's only about 140 pages, and if you take out the charts and images, it's probably less than 120 pages of text. But it's jam-packed with incredible information. If you're the type of trader who reads with a highlighter, large sections of entire pages will be yellow when you're done reading. The setting is simply a very old guy in his 90s who's been active in the market for over 70 years. And he's communicating his trading style and philosophy to a much younger trader. The conversation takes place during breakfast and lunch over the course of a few weeks, and then the younger trader takes all his notes and writes this book. This older trader is a longer-term swing trader who totally maximizes opportunities by really pushing hard and going on margin when conditions are great, but he has no issue being in cash if they aren't. He only uses price and volume. That's it, nothing else, just price and volume. In his estimation, within a 10-year period, there are maybe 3 or 4 times when everything lines up and produces a great trading environment. His goal is to really push hard during those times. He looks for relatively young growth companies that are breaking out of extended bases or consolidation periods on huge volume on their weekly charts. He gives further details with regards to what he wants to see in the first couple weeks. And even if you don't follow his philosophy exactly, there are still many nuggets to be learned. There's a quote that's repeated several times in the book, which I find very telling. He says, and I'm talking about the old guy here, he says, "Do not let the wish become the father of the thought." Think about that for a second. Do not let the wish become the father of the thought. Essentially what he's saying is, if you wish for something to happen, if you hope something happens, that wish, that hope will influence what you see in the chart. You won't actually be able to see what's there because by secretly hoping something happens, you won't be able to see clearly. You won't be able to be objective. Okay, we've all been there. We've all been in a position and hoped it would do something, and it was only after exiting the position that we second guessed why we managed the position like we did. It was all crystal clear when we were flat, but our hope clouded our judgment when we were in the position. This older trader is big on just using price and volume action of the chart, as I've said. Nothing else. He says over and over, there are 3 steps to speculation. Observe, interpret, and then take action. Observe what is actually taking place. Then interpret the observations, and if the odds of winning are good, you take action. And you don't get signals from humans, you get signals and information from the market and from leading stocks. Overall, what I like best about the book is the old man's explanation of the meaning of situations. Most technical traders have a good grasp of charts and indicators. This book offers an explanation of what people are thinking and feeling as certain situations play out. It's a gem. It's full of tons of great information and advice. Even if you don't follow his trading style exactly, there's still a ton of information to be learned. Check it out. I highly recommend it.